You better go.
Don't run, he's gonna get you, Robert! Go home! Come on! No! Turkey, no! Oh my God, they're after me!
Hurry, get around. It's okay. Oh!
Give it! Give it! Get it out!
Never started with the chickens.
Colin, you want to feed the horsey?
Look out!
Double, double. Double, double.
This is the infamous turkey.
Oh my God, he's coming! Go, go, go. Ah! Go! Go!
And then
Got it, Simmer. Oh my God.
They don't like the bike, huh? Just get on him right away. You'll be okay. He doesn't like that black. What are you guys doing? They're not stopping. They're not letting go. And they done tore up my yard.
Sales, you better quit. She's gonna get you. She's gonna get you. Get him! Get him, turkey! Go get him! Go get him!
Hey kids, for Thanksgiving we're having ham.
I want my sandal back. Come on, really? That's mine. They trap you in there?
Come on, did you see that? He wants to put his wing around you. Look at there. See? He just loves you, buddy.
cheese.
Go get it, turkey! Go get it, turkey! Get him! Get him! Get him! This one's for Gus. Nope. Gus is going. Gus said he'll get it. Gobble, gobble.
Go away! Go away! I'm getting scared! Go away! Ah! Run, come help me!
Ooh, don't strike me now. Don't strike me now. Go, go, go. I'm gone. I'm out of here.
Do you like Thanksgiving? No?
Foster care system. You won't be a foster parent, but you will be a voice. Volunteer.org.
It's like we're playing chicken. What is he doing? He's good under it? What? Hey, buddy. Can you move away from my car?
Woman, don't go over them. They're crossing the road. The big one is making a show for the women.
Come on, Rosie. You hear the dogs? It's okay.
Okay, you can come this way.
Let's take a picture. There we go. Almost got it, Jay. All right, hold it right there. Hold it right there.
Go. You alright?
Hey, burn him with your stick. Burn him.
Got a penis or not?
Hey, put him back in the water. Maybe we'll let go of you. Punch him. Here, hit him with this.
We are feeding them bread, and they're coming. We've been feeding them daily. Jesus! Oh my God!
Oh! He'll get you, man. It's the YouTube moment, man. Get out of there. Bit my toe. Oh. You feel how strong she is. There's one bite from
him off now. He's hurting really bad.
Oh my god.
I swear, he got scared without it.
Oh my goodness.
He's not gonna give up. Go back. Go on. Go back to the water. Mr. Ostrich. Oh, they're so hungry. Ow! He bit me. Hey! Ow! Oh! 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 Ah!
Following you, Brooklyn. Super llama, drama llama, big fat mama llama. He licked me.
He's eating him in Sarah. Oh, hey, hey.
Ow.
Hey, stop! No! No! Back! Wait!
Run at it. Damn, dude, he's crazy. Holy shit. Oh, God, get him out of here. Ow. Ow, no. Oh. Oh, shit.